Alright, y'all, what's up? This is being Linda, and on being Linda today, we making some spare ribs. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to being Linda. Today, we're gonna be cooking. Once again, we're gonna be making ribs, barbecue ribs. As always, make sure you remember to clean your meat. And then we're gonna be making string beans also. So right now we have our ribs clean. And what I do, because I'm gonna be baking these, I'm gonna put them on the stove once the water is all boiled. It's gonna go way faster because when you bake your ribs, it takes a while. So I'm gonna boil it first with the seasoning so the seasoning can pretty much soak in and cook the ribs before I put them in the oven. This is chicken flavor cubes. Chicken flavor. So the ones my mom used are way bigger than these. They're like that. That's okay. Put that in. You drop it like it's hot. Anyway. Okay, now that we have put that to get cooked, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the string beans and the potatoes. Okay, make sure your string beans is clean. I'm doing the whole thing. I don't need to open it with the Ziploc.
So it's gonna defeat the whole point of Ziploc.
Yeah, but I'm not reusing this bag.
But that's the point of buying this bag. Who wants to reuse
it? Okay, these are beans. I'm gonna let them soak for a minute. And these are, I don't like the way they look actually. These look old. Anyway, they're gonna be old enough to eat. What I do is I cut off the parts that I don't like. And then you just cut it however you like. Like an apple. Do for our green beans and potatoes is we're gonna chop these up really, really small. We want the bacon to pretty much be, we want it to be in the actual broth, so you want to cook it inside of it. So this is my bacon, crispy, and I still have it in the oil. I don't know if Taj wants the oil for her doggy treats that she's gonna be making, but this one is especially for you, my love. Thank you.
Make sure y'all thumbs up the video, like, comment, and subscribe.
Now we're gonna do sauteed onions. We're gonna put it on the stove. If you want, you can use butter, but I'm just gonna use a little bit drizzle of vegetable oil. Now we are going to put the string beans and the potatoes in. It's a lot. And we got the string bean. Make sure your hands are clean. It looks like a lot right now, but honestly, I wish I had a bigger pot because it actually gets really, really less than this. I think I'm gonna put 3 actually. I'm gonna put 3 cubes in here, and then I'm gonna come back and once it's melted and stir the whole pot.
And then with the bacon?
Yeah. This has to cook with it. Because it's going to get lost in there somewhere. And that's the best part.
Beefsteak ready.
All those flavors. Ooh.
Don't give me some bacon grease.
You said you didn't want it. You said you're going to make bacon for you. Remember? You said you're going to make extra bacon.
No, you said over there, you said you're going to give me some.
I'll help you make some. Wow, that's beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
Let this cook for about 30 minutes, but in between every about 10 minutes, we're gonna come and stir it because you don't want it to get stuck underneath the pot, and you also want all of it to cook because the top, you just never know. You want to stir your whole pot. You're gonna cover it up and just leave it. It's gonna do its job. Everything's gonna work out. Make sure you taste it and everything too, because you might have to go back and taste it. Because I bought these, and usually I make this with the actual chicken broth, and I just pour the actual thing in there. And I'm using these for the very first time, so make sure you taste it. Now we're gonna add to my ribs. They were cooking for a while, as you can see. And what we're gonna do is add seasoning and barbecue sauce. Mix it all around and throw them in the oven, just like that.
The oven gotta be on.
Oh, the oven, I'm gonna put it on 425. And this is pretty much cooked. I just want the barbecue sauce to stick on it. Okay, Tati, can you come and season my meat? No. Beef.
Is that barbecue?
Come on.
Real meat.
And we're gonna have Taji come help me because she's getting bored behind the camera, and I don't want her to lose momentum. Okay, so Taj, what did you use? Because I think the camera had stopped, but she was whipping it in here.
Yeah, I had just doing some onion powder, garlic powder, smokehouse maple. What's this right here? Barbecue, pepper.
It looks very nice. And now she's just gonna stir that all around.
Yeah, you guys can do it though, definitely with your bare hands.
I like doing it with my bare
I don't want
hands.
to touch the meat right now.
Because she's not a cooker. That's why.
And it's hot.
Yes.
That juice on it. Get that juice on it. That juice on it.
Taji's doing a really good job. All right, so we got both sweet and spicy, so that's awesome. And we're not going to use a lot of barbecue sauce, so that's why we didn't even buy any. Because when I do mine, I just like it to stick on it. Like I said, I just like the sticky feeling and the sticky taste of the barbecue sauce. Go ahead, sticky fingers. Make sure you guys go to Taj and Lindah's page and subscribe, because Taj will be doing some doggy treats for our baby Macy over there. We will be making some doggy treats, and we can't wait. We cannot wait. And make sure you guys go check that out if you want to see.
Macy's having a birthday, so I'm practicing my skills.
Yes, Macy's going to have a party. So if you guys want to check out Macy's party, make sure you go and subscribe to Taz and Lindah today. I know we should do a mukbang. I always want to do mukbangs and I forget. Oh, that looks really good. I'm going to get the oven started. Thank you, chef. I'm so glad she came and do this. She was behind the camera like this. That was nicely done. And we're gonna do a second coat, second time around, if we feel like it's needed. Because usually we just do
like
one
once
coat.
it's in there and it's cooking, like right when it's getting brown, I like to
put some on top of it.
Add a little bit more glaze, and it'll cook this really nice on top. And like you said, it'll have that nice crunch. A little sticky. You know what I'm saying? You know, we like it. That's
what's going on over here. Look at that, it's melted. So I am gonna start stirring that because, like I said, you have to keep checking on your food. And I also want the bacon to get to the bottom.
You timing it?
No, I don't time. Like this. I tell you guys time because you guys like when I give you time. But I don't time. You just know when the food is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put more because I feel like it needs more. You're so silly.
I taste it.
You taste it?
It tastes like potato and chicken.
Potato and chicken, that's what it's supposed to taste like, actually. But honestly, guys, I do prefer using the actual chicken broth more than this because it's a hassle. You just gotta go back and forth. And I'm gonna put one more. So my total was 6. I just started.
Hurry up,
just
hurry
got
up.
done.
Yes. Yeah.
Total of 6. Alright, so look at the onions. Look at that. This is gonna be nice. Hey, Todd, get away from my food. You look like you drew it. Smells so good. So good.
What you say?
Finger licking good. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling over.
Halfway mark.
So it is halfway done. Okay, and I'm gonna turn the temp down to 400. Alright. I'm gonna put them back in here. No? Wow, what the? Looks like 3 bowls.
Yeah,
Okay, so these are my ribs.
Good size for like Jersey.
And this is just about done. We are about to taste it and make sure that it's very good. Thank you guys so much for cooking with me today. As you can see, this is done. And the ribs is done. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you stay true to being you like I'm being Linda. Peace out.